Hello everybody, today we're going to be cutting fruit. We got a request from someone to show how to cut a banana, which, I don't see that very often, so we decided to make a full-blown video out of it. And of course, there isn't any correct way to be cutting any fruit. However, we thought this was a way to make it look a little extra nice, and that's just our interpretation on how to cut some elaborate fruit. So we're going to be cutting watermelon cantaloupe, I believe it's called. It's called Shamam in Jordan, and I've always just called it that. I think it's cantaloupe. And we're also going to be cutting the banana. So to start off with the watermelon, just chop it up in half and then cut it into quarters. Each half. And then we're going to be removing the top half and bottom half. So make sure the cross section is like, what would it be? It'd be a triangle at this point. And then you're going to want to cut off all of the sides, just a little bit. You're going to be forming basically a little handle for yourself. So this part's the trickiest part, I'd say, but the results are very cute. And then you're going to cut all of those down the middle, and you'll see that it'll turn out like a very nice handle. It's very nice for all of the younger kids in my family because they can actually grab it super easily and then they just munch on it. It's a little bit better than just holding the rind itself. And then moving on to the shamam, you're going to do the same thing, literally the same exact thing, except you're going to have to scoop out the seeds in the first step because otherwise someone's going to get a taste of them and not like it and rate your fruit cutting skills 0. So make sure you don't disappoint your family while you're doing this. So just go ahead and scoop it up and do the same thing that we had just done. Also, do you guys like cantaloupe or watermelon more? Because this is kind of funny, but I love the flavor of watermelon a lot. Like, for candy and stuff, like if you ask me what I want watermelon. But the actual watermelon, I don't know why, but I can only have it in very specific scenarios. It's something about the texture that really throws me off of watermelon. But shamam always tastes pretty fine to me. I like shamam a lot. So yeah, do you guys like eating these fruits too? Or are you guys like picky about it as well? But yeah, this one is going to be a little bit more difficult to get the rind little cutout because it's a lot thinner, obviously, so make sure you take a very good care of your knife skills and don't cut yourself in the process. But yeah, and then, oh yeah, don't forget to chop off the top and bottom because those pieces are going to be a bit wonky. But yeah, then you'll get cuter, tinier, smaller pieces. As you can see, my dad is probably eating like quite a majority of these off the screen. So, and then finally, moving on to my favorite piece of this video, which is cutting this banana. Now, my mom said she wanted my dad to make a dolphin, and so you tell me what the hell this is once it's done. Like, I don't know why we're giving it, like I thought we were giving it gills at first, but I'm like, a dolphin is a air-breathing mammal, don't know what's going on there. And it turns out, I don't know what's happening. It looks like a centipede, like a dolphin centipede, but hey, it's cute, like, it's inventive, right? Like, people will be like, wow, you made that, and you could say, yes, I did. So, might as well. So yeah, just go ahead and take out those pieces so you can clearly see the ones you made clear, then chop off the nose so that you can cut down the middle and then make a little mouth for the dolphin. And then you're gonna make eyeballs for it. And you can put like a seed or something to make it clear. My dad forgot a blowhole. Oh man, I don't know what this is, bro. But it's cute, I guess. I don't know. And then you're gonna chop up the banana all the way down. And for this person that asked how to chop a banana, that's how you do it, right there. It's very easy, don't worry. You can't really go wrong. But then like he's just alternating it with the pattern of the little stripies, so it turned out pretty cute. And they put little seeds in the dolphin, so you could tell. Dolphin centipede, super nice. Anyways, we hope you guys enjoy. Let us know if you're gonna start cutting your fruit this way, specifically the banana. You're gonna go through all that effort. But that's it. Happy fruit cutting. Bye!